Gaming room ideas: how to create the ultimate PC gaming setup. The gaming setup is the core of any gaming room. Here are some gaming room ideas to help you put together all the necessary gaming components and accessories to create your optimal gaming setup. At its core, a PC gaming setup, also called a battle station, is comprised of a gaming chair, a gaming desk, a keyboard and mouse, one or more monitors, and the PC itself. Once you have the basics in place, you can accessorize to elevate and personalize your gaming setup. Keep watching for a closer look at how to choose the best PC gaming components for your gaming setup. Number 1. PC gaming chair. Because you'll be spending a lot of time sitting in your gaming chair, it's important to choose a chair that is well suited to your specifications and comfort needs. It can be tempting to opt for a less expensive desk chair for your gaming setup, but sacrificing comfort is never ideal. Investing in a higher cost, good quality gaming chair is investing in the overall comfort and quality of your gaming setup. When choosing a PC gaming chair, the 3 most important considerations are ergonomics, material, and size. Be sure to choose a chair with lumbar support or full body support to minimize back and body pain while gaming for an extended period of time. Keep material in mind. Leather, faux leather, and vinyl are durable and easy to clean but not very breathable, and mesh, cotton, and microfiber are more breathable and comfortable but less durable and more difficult to clean. Finally, be sure to choose a chair that can accommodate your life stage, weight, and space needs. Number 2. PC gaming desk. You can be a little less particular when choosing a gaming desk. Ultimately, what matters most when deciding on a desk size and shape are your space requirements and the size of your gaming chair. You'll want to choose a desk with a broad, flat surface that can comfortably accommodate your monitors, keyboard, mouse, and other accessories. It is also helpful to choose a gaming desk with storage shelves or drawers beneath so you can store your games, controllers, and other accessories. Some even come with a shelf that can keep your PC from the floor and properly ventilated, or cup holders that help minimize the likelihood of disastrous spills. If you have a lot of open space against one wall, you can go with a simple rectangular gaming desk. If you need to fit a gaming desk in a corner, or if you need more surface area, choose an L-shaped gaming desk. Before you buy, ensure that the desk is tall enough for your legs to fit beneath it when you're sitting comfortably in your chair. Number 3. PC gaming monitors. It is essential for your PC gaming setup to comfortably accommodate your monitor or monitors. Minimizing neck strain is crucial. Just like choosing a gaming chair, comfort is key when configuring your gaming monitors. It's also important to make sure your gaming setup isn't haphazard. The last thing you want in the middle of a game is your monitor crashing down on you. In order to avoid neck strain, elevate your monitors slightly above eye level. To do so, you can fix your monitors onto sturdy monitor mounts. These sit on your desk or attach firmly to your wall. If you'd like more freedom of monitor position, opt for a height-adjustable mount, an articulating mount, or a full-motion mount. If you'd like to set up more than one monitor, go with a multi-monitor mount. Number 4. PC gaming accessories. Ensure that your keyboard stays put and your mouse has proper traction by placing a combination keyboard and mouse pad beneath them. If you're equipping your gaming setup with a set of speakers, mount them on desktop or floor speaker stands to improve sound quality and minimize desk clutter. Keep cables under control with cable management solutions. If you're planning on spending hours at a time gaming, hydration and nutrition can be important considerations for you. Think about setting yourself up with a mini fridge that can hold cold water and snacks so you don't forget to take care of yourself during long gaming sessions. Just like any hobby that someone might immerse themselves in, you can put together a setup that goes beyond meeting just the bare minimum. This way, you'll get more enjoyment out of gaming when you're free of external annoyances and limitations. Furthermore, you can have fun personalizing your unique combination of equipment to fit your play style perfectly. Thank you for watching.